Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello to all our wonderful friends listening at home, at work, or on the bus. It is so good to be with you today.
It is great to see you, Paul. You look very happy today.
I am happy. I am feeling very fresh. The sun is shining, I have my tea, and I am ready to chat. How are you, Emily?
I am doing very well, thank you. I am a little bit nostalgic today.
Nostalgic. Ooh, that is a big word. What does nostalgic mean?
It is a big word. It means I'm thinking about the past. I'm thinking about memories.
Ah, I understand. I feel nostalgic sometimes too. Why are you thinking about the past today?
Well, because 1 year has just finished and a new year is starting. It is a special time.
Yes, it is. It is the perfect time to look back, to think about the last 12 months.
Exactly. We call this reflection. We reflect on the year. We think about the good things and the bad things.
That is a great topic for today. Looking back at the year.
Yes, but Paul, before we start looking back, we have a small job to do.
I know this job. We need to ask our listeners for a favor.
Yes, please. If you like learning English with us, please click the subscribe button. It helps our channel grow.
And please click the like button. Give us a thumbs up. It makes us very happy.
And share this podcast with your friends. If your friend wants to learn English, tell them about Mr. English Channel.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Okay, Emily, let's talk about the year.
Let's do it. So, Paul, when you think about last year, what is the first thing you think of?
That is a good question. Let me think.
Take your time.
I think about time.
Time?
Yes. I think, wow, the year went very fast.
Yes, I agree. It went very, very fast. January feels like it was yesterday.
It really does. I remember New Year's Day last year. I was with my family. We ate a big dinner.
That sounds nice.
It was. But now it is a whole year later. Where did the time go?
Time flies when we are busy. Were you busy last year?
Oh, yes. I was very busy. I worked a lot, I traveled a little bit, and I spent time with friends.
See? You did many things. That is why it went fast.
What about you, Emily? Was it a fast year for you?
Yes and no. Some months were fast, but some months were slow.
Really? Which months were slow?
February was very slow. It was cold, it rained every day. I stayed inside my house.
Ah, yes. Winter can feel very long.
But the summer was very fast. I went to the beach, I went hiking, I had so much fun.
Fun times are always fast. So, Emily, let's use our grammar. Let's talk about the past simple. What did you do last year?
Okay, a specific thing?
Yes, tell me one big thing you did.
Okay, last year I visited my sister. She lives in Canada.
Canada? Wow, that is far away.
Yes, it is. I went in August. It was beautiful. We saw mountains and lakes.
Did you see a bear?
No, I did not see a bear, thank goodness. But I saw a moose.
A moose? That is very cool. So you traveled. That is a great memory.
Yes, it was the best part of my year. What about you, Paul? What did you do?
Well, I did not go to Canada, but I started a new hobby.
A new hobby? Really? What is it?
I started playing the guitar.
No way! The guitar? That is fantastic.
Well, I am not very good, but I practiced a lot last year.
That is so interesting. Did you take lessons?
Yes, I took lessons online. I bought a guitar in March and I played every week.
That is wonderful. So you learned a new skill.
Yes, it was difficult at first. My fingers hurt.
I bet. But now, can you play a song?
I can play 3 songs. Simple songs, but I am happy.
That is great, Paul. See, we did things. I traveled. You played music.
We used the past simple tense. I traveled. I played because the year is finished.
Yes, the year is over. Those days are gone.
But, Emily, we also have the present perfect tense.
Ah, yes, the present perfect. This connects the past to now.
Exactly. We can talk about life experience. For example, I have learned a lot this year.
Yes, I have learned. The learning happened in the past, but it is important now.
Correct. I have made new friends this year.
Me too. I have met many interesting people.
And we have recorded many podcasts.
Yes, we have recorded so many episodes, and we have helped many students.
That is my favorite thing. I feel proud of that.
Me too. So, looking back is not just about events, it is about changes.
Changes, yes. How have you changed, Emily?
Good question. I think I have become calmer.
Calmer. That is good.
Yes, last year I was stressed sometimes, but this year I have practiced yoga.
Yoga. I have heard yoga is very good for stress.
It is. I have done yoga for 6 months now, and I feel better.
So, you have changed your routine and you have changed your feeling.
Yes. What about you? How have you changed?
I think I have become more adventurous with food.
With food? What do you mean?
Before, I only ate simple food. Pizza, sandwiches, salad.
Okay.
But this year, I have tried many new things. I have eaten sushi. I have eaten spicy curry.
Wow, you have been brave.
Yes, my stomach was surprised sometimes, but I liked it.
That is a good change. Trying new things is important.
It is. It makes life exciting.
Paul, this brings me to a big question.
A big question? Okay, I am ready.
We are talking about the year. We are talking about the past.
Yes.
What was the biggest lesson you learned last year?
Ooh, that is a deep question, Emily. The biggest lesson.
Yes, not just a small thing, a big life lesson.
Can I have a moment to think?
Of course. I will drink my coffee while you think.
Okay. I think I have my answer.
Okay, tell us. What was your biggest lesson?
My biggest lesson was rest is productive.
Rest is productive. Wow. Can you explain that?
Yes. You know me, Emily. I like to work. I like to be busy.
I know. You are always doing something.
Yes. And in the past, I felt guilty when I stopped. I felt bad if I sat on the sofa.
I understand. Many people feel that way.
But last year, I got very tired. I was exhausted.
Oh, no.
Yes. So I had to stop. I had to sleep more. I had to take breaks.
And what happened?
I realized that when I rest, I work better later.
Ah, that is the lesson.
Yes, resting helps my brain. It helps my energy. So rest is not doing nothing. Rest is preparing to do good work.
That is a beautiful lesson, Paul. Really. Rest is productive. I love that.
Thank you. It changed how I live. Now I take naps.
Naps are the best. Good for you.
What about you, Emily? It is your turn. What was the biggest lesson you learned last year?
My lesson is about friendship.
Friendship. Okay, tell me more.
My lesson is good friends are like family.
Ah, that is nice. Good friends are like family.
Yes. Last year, I had a difficult week. My car broke down. I was sick. It was a bad time.
I remember that. You had the flu.
Yes, and my family lives far away. I felt very alone.
That is a terrible feeling.
But my friends, they were amazing. They brought me soup. They drove me to the doctor. They called me every day.
Wow, that is wonderful.
Yes, I realized that friends are not just for fun. They are for support. They take care of you.
That is so true. We choose our friends, and they become our family.
Exactly. So I have learned to appreciate my friends more. I have told them thank you many times.
That is a very important lesson. We need people. We cannot be alone.
No, we cannot. So Paul learned to rest, and Emily learned to value friends.
Those are two very good lessons.
I think so. They are simple but powerful.
And you know, Emily, we learned these lessons because of our experiences.
Yes, the good experiences and the bad experiences.
The tired days taught me to rest. The sick days taught you about friends.
That is a great point. Sometimes hard times teach us the best lessons.
Yes, that is why we should not regret the past.
Regret. That is a strong word.
It means to feel sad about a mistake, to wish you did not do it.
Ah, yes. No regrets, just lessons.
Exactly. If you made a mistake last year, it is okay.
Yes. Did you learn from it? Then it was a good mistake.
I made many mistakes with my guitar.
But now you can play 3 songs.
Exactly. I kept trying.
So, Paul, we have looked back. We have reflected.
Yes, we have closed the door on the old year.
How do you feel about the new year now?
I feel ready.
Ready?
Yes, I have my lessons. I have my energy because I rest now. And I am excited for new adventures.
That is the spirit. I am excited too. I want to make more friends and do more yoga.
And record more podcasts?
Of course, always more podcasts.
You know, Emily, I think our listeners have many stories too.
I'm sure they do. Everyone has a different year. Everyone learns different things.
Yes, maybe someone learned to cook. Maybe someone learned a new language.
Like English.
Yes, if you are listening to this, you have learned English this year.
That is a huge achievement. You should be very proud.
Yes, please give yourself a round of applause. Clap your hands.
Yay! Good job, everyone.
Learning a language takes time, but you are doing it day by day, year by year.
Exactly. And we are here with you.
Emily, I really liked this conversation. It was warm.
It was. It felt like a real chat between friends.
Because it is.
True. Well, Paul, I think it is time to say goodbye for today.
Oh, already? The time went fast again.
It always does. But before we go, we have a question for you, the listeners.
Yes, we want to know about your year.
Please, in the comments, tell us, what was the biggest lesson you learned last year?
Oh, good question. Was it about work? About family? About English?
Write it in the comments. Use the past simple, I learned or I realized.
Or use the present perfect, I have decided.
Yes, we love reading your comments. They're always so interesting.
And please, don't forget to subscribe to the Mr. English channel. Join our family.
And share this episode with anyone who wants to reflect on the year in English.
Thank you so much for listening today. We appreciate you.
We really do. Happy New Year to everyone and keep learning.
Yes, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Have a great week.